Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Jay Styles here. Got the camera at a different angle. A lot of people have been telling me they kind of want to see like the cockpit kind of deal, so I'm lowering it down just a little bit. Hopefully you guys like it. I don't even know how it looks like, but I'm pretty sure it'll be good. Anyways, right now it is really cold. I'm gonna meet up with a few people. They're also riding from Surron. I think there's a gentleman from out of town as well, so probably gonna link up with them, maybe not. See how you guys, week and a half is Christmas, so right now I think somebody's gonna get their Bac8000 38,000, not sure what it was, installed in New York City Bolts. Sorry, NYC Bolts. I'm gonna link up with them, probably catch, these are like the wheelie boys, so it's gonna be fun. Just so you guys know as well, I am throwing, me and Booby BK, we are throwing a mega ride New York City. Oh my god, it's gonna be fucking big. I announced it, well, me and Booby announced it like about a few days ago, and then just people are just so on board about it. I am so grateful. Just to let you guys know, this isn't the only one. There's one in Tampa. I'm just mentioning the dates now so some of you guys can know. Some of you guys may already know, but the Tampa one is March 3rd to 5th, so please be there. Me and Booby were just sticking our flag on the sand and just saying like, hey, this is the dates we are choosing. I have a great amount of people on board: Delaware, Detroit, Florida, Jersey, right? And to be honest, quite frankly, I might be stretching it. Maybe 80% of the New York e-riders, and I'm not only talking about Surrons, I'm talking about Super 73s, the EU skates, the unis, e-skateboarders. Sorry if EU skate is e-skateboarders are the same thing. Definitely closer to the date, all these people will start talking about it, and there's going to be a lot of great surprises, and there's a lot of good stuff. I can't reveal a lot now, but definitely a lot of good stuff coming in here. So next stop is Prospect Park area. Let's see if we meet up with these goons. We are here, Prospect Park, right? Middle point between where, I guess, Bolts. Oh man, I was gonna go through. There's cops there. Not sure how they would feel about it. Yes, sir. Bro, 100. You got to, dude. Huh? Yeah, exactly. This one right here is a modified battery. Yeah. You know I gotta go fast. I'm trying to go to the park and zoom around. 65 miles. It's called shy batteries. No, these are regular. I'm trying to get supermotos. Definitely get supermotos. All right, brother. Yeah, I got you right now. Let's see a wheelie. Oh shit. Oh, he got left behind. Alright, I just got off the phone with Brent. They are in New York City Bolts, so we're gonna go over there and just meet up with them, right? Have a talk, charge up a little, get warm, and then just start recording some dope ass clips. Look at that. I see you, Amazon. Nah, I think I'm gonna keep the angle like this. I probably wasn't recording shit before, but I see you, Amazon, with the electric truck. Oh, yeah, electric, right? Nice. That's awesome. That's cool. Electric too. All right. Just curious, what do you guys think about Amazon delivery service? Just a fucking randomness, especially going electric. What do you think about it? Is it efficient? Is it not? Comment down below. Look at that, no memory card. I guess I'm gonna have to use this GoPro, or maybe they might have it. Shabam! Look at all this. Whose bikes is this? This is sick. What's up, fellas? I'm trying to call Brent. He ignored me. Hey, what's up, Adib? It's been a minute. Oh, my fault, bro. What's up, dude? It's the guy. Hey, what's up, man? No, not really. Talk to the peoples, because I know there's. This is the.
1 second.
What's up, fellas?
Give me 1 second.
What's up? What up? What's up? Damon, what's up? Nico. Mr. Brent. I'm kicking shit already.
Wait, and where does that connect to though?
So this is your main discharge on the connector, right? And so this is your negative terminal. And so we're gonna bypass it from here, going straight to there.
Unreal, I tell you.
Does this kit have the right ones? If not, I have more.
No, we have, should be the right ones.
I think we need the yellow ones.
Yeah, we need the yellow ones.
So I haven't ridden 2022.
I rode my John, but I got the street tire.
I think it's. I think it's
Yeah.
Fuck, yo. I'm thinking, I'm like, yo, why is J Styles doing this right now? Yo,
Look what I found in the street, guys.
That's a 72.
I called dibs.
60.
Same one I got.
Yeah, the 60 volts. Charger. You guys have chargers. B, you have a charger for the 60?
Right now.
Oh, okay. Get the camera on my face, bro. I see my nose.
This one works.
Nah, I like this shit. Gotta melt the space off. Oh my god. The wind.
Oh, that joint going by itself?
Yeah. Autopilot.
Hey, yo.
Could it auto wheelie, dude?
Oh, shit. Why is doing that?
It's calibrating the motor right now.
Look at that Brooklyn Ray. Get your hands off my shit. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
And another thing, like when you go to smack it, it's like a slap.
Don't go ahead, my high power, bro. It's gonna die fast, bro.
It's only high power.
Yo, how many modes is it? 3. Yeah, I mean 3 on sport and 3 on indoor. He's like, this is a new bike now.
I just feel like it's like a lag in it though.
Yeah, I'm gonna tune that out.
That's correct. Shit don't feel like stock.
No, it's like a lag. Like you'll go to hit it.
Yeah.
It was like a lag. Like you'll hit it, it won't, and then it'll go. I'm like, what the? I know I need some new brakes ASAP though. Them brakes with that on there.
See, now you're saying.
You got 2 brakes. Hold up. What's that? 1 with 2. But at least you got the 7, something really solid. And you got
I'm
the
getting the foot brake.
foot brake. Got you.
Still need a front brake. Fuck.
Yeah, for going that fast, you gotta have a front brake. You can't slow down fast.
Yeah.
Oh shit, is that the car?
I'm gonna ride it. We out? You can squeeze that back brake all the way you just. Yo, so we out?
Yeah, you're just on skid.
Yeah, you don't, it doesn't stop. It's so
You're
light.
gonna die.
That's how I feel.
Yeah, when I speeded up on yours, I skidded. I was about to die.
It's the KO, dude. So guys, we're here at NYC Bolt. We got Corey. We got one-way Corey's Bac8000 installed. Not we, but they did. And he got his battery bypassed. We're about to go with the NYC Bolt people and just rip it in the streets. I left my SD card for this Insta360, so that's why I took off my GoPro, put in the memory here. But it's gonna be a lot of fun. Ride time. Let's see the clips that we get.
Yo, we outside. You outside. This is my home yard. Talking my shit. I don't know who you is. Show your face.
We Gucci. See the lady right there with the red hat.
What's she doing? She calling the cops?
Probably. She's been recording us since over here. We out.
Yo, we got.
Oh, she took a photo.
I get a video coming all the way down. Wait, what is he doing? Bro, I stopped and I was leaving so far.
Wait, what is this going on? Corey, you said you're at 50. What? I got
7.
Oh yeah, 57. So you're at 50, like 50%.
Yeah, if you want to come over, you can be out.
No, man. It was 56, so I'm at like 45, 40.
Yeah.
This battery, once it goes below like 20%.
Yo, did you get the crash?
What?
Did you get the crash?
Yeah, like goes down.
Yeah, it goes down.
I was trying to stop to plug in mine, but you guys are too
Going
fast.
from 40 to 20.
But how so say if I come out and it's on 100%, like how long will it usually last?
I'd say like your usual range and a little more.
Oh, a little more?
Yeah. As long as you're going at the same speed.
But that's his value.
If you're at like 50, 40,
My backpack's inside.
you're back.
You gotta keep in mind. Yo, you gotta ride slow. You heard? On the way to this house.
Yo, you never want to get it super low because it die and it doesn't turn back on.
What are you saying? Wait, we're leaving now?
With that controller though, the power.
I would, for you, I would run 72 volt. 72 volt is just overall better because it's more efficient because it's less current, and current creates heat, and that's where you lose.
I don't know nothing about that. There's no power, less power.
Shit, he got the whole hula hoop. Oh. Guys are loco. Oh, accidents happen. I would.
Ran into a truck. Nobody even was next to you. He just ran into a truck.
He said you got hit by a parked car. Boom. Record that, record that. Oh, oh. Damn, that's a hit. It's a hit and run. Look at these guys. How you inbox him like that?
You're not going nowhere, bro. Run with the keys.
Damn, how'd they do that to you? You never let another man touch your key, dude. He's gonna walk that shit. He was like, psych. I know where you live. Oh my god, those shits just compressing so nasty. I can't wait to change that shit. Of course, Steve. Bye guys. You guys take care. Like I said, Corey, Good to see you, dude. Yeah, I'm gonna go the other way. So
Gotta head out.
yeah, I'm gonna head the other way. You guys gonna go that side. I gotta go more upper towards the city.
We're going towards the city.
Yeah, but I gotta be home. Gotta be doing some stuff. Tomorrow's Sunday.
You got curfew.
Nah, I got lady problems. You know what I'm saying?
We got curfew. Well, I understand.
You get it. You know how it is. She's like, you said Saturday night was our night, and I'm like, duh. 2 weeks I've been promising her, so you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm just trying to break, push my boundaries. Always good.
Where do you live again?
Oh shit! I used to live in Avenue O, but now I live in. So yeah, they're gonna go that way, but I'd rather just go a more calmer way. You know what I'm saying? So, my guy, see you guys soon. I refuse to wear winter gloves. You just don't get the same feel of the grip of the bike, which is very important. I feel attacked. Whew. So I stopped at a quick donut shop because my hands were freezing. Even these heating weren't even ready. I think there's air that goes through here, so might not be. But yeah, that shit was not a fun feeling. I'm gonna zoom all the way home as fast as I can. Thank you guys so much for staying tuned. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.